Welcome once again to the Daily Message. Today I want to offer another reflection based on the readings that we have for the Masses during the season of Advent. And so on this Friday of the first week of Advent, I want to offer just a couple of thoughts about the Gospel reading for today, which comes from the 9th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. In this story, Jesus, as he's journeying, is confronted by two blind men who cry out, "Son of David, have pity on us." Jesus enters a house, and when he does, the blind men come in with him and approach him. And Jesus said to them, "Do you believe that I can do this?" And they answer immediately, "Yes, Lord." And so he touches their eyes are opened, and then he issues them a warning. See that no one knows about this. Two parts of this reading I want to comment on. First of all, the faith of the blind men. Jesus flat out asks them, "Do you believe that I can do this?" And they right away answer back, "Yes, Lord." Even though they did not have the gift of physical sight, they had the vision of faith to be able to see that this man, Jesus, was someone very special who had the power to heal them. And second, I want to call attention to Jesus' warning. See that no one knows about this. I think there's something in that warning for us as well. I think Jesus tells us that when we do the right thing, when we do something good, we should do it not to receive accolades, not to receive praise from others, but simply because it is the right thing to do. When we do what we do for God, we should be trying to see that no one knows about it. Thank you for watching today. Have a wonderful Friday.